The suture has a point, a body, and the swage where the suture attaches. You mount the needle holder 2/3 along the body of the needle. You aim to keep the suture at the tip of the needle holder. Enter the skin at 90 degrees. You rotate your hand from palm down to palm up, a supinating motion. For wounds that have opposed edges, you can cross to the other side in a single pass. Advance the needle by the body, not the point, or you blunt it, not by the swage, or you fracture the thread off of the needle. Sutures have several sizes. The number refers to the USP, the strength required to break the suture. It will tell you the needle size in millimeters, the needle type, such as reverse cutting, and illustrate a picture. This is a vicryl repeat on a cutting needle. A cutting needle means the sharp edge is on the inside of the curve. Reverse cutting is where the sharp edge is on the outside of the needle.